Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 13 of the important notes for the biochemistry so that you can easily able to answer the one-liners and the MCQs in your exam. First of all, the HMP or the hexose monophosphate pathway is also known as the pentose phosphate pathway because ribose 5-phosphate is synthesized by this pathway. HMP is activated by insulin. Intracellular site for the HMP is cytosol. The only source of ribose 5-phosphate is HMP. Now this HMP occurs in the liver, adipose tissue, lactating mammary glands, adrenal cortex, gonads, red blood cells, etc. HMP is a minor pathway for oxidation of the glucose but a major source for NADPH. NADPH produced in the HMP is needed for reductive biosynthesis to counter the damaging effects of the oxygen radicals. No ATP is generated but CO2 or the carbon dioxide is produced in the HMP. HMP has two phases, that is the oxidative phase, that is irreversible phase, and the non-oxidative phase or the reversible phase. In cells with greater need for NADPH than ribose 5-phosphate, both oxidative and non-oxidative phase occurs. In cells with greater need for ribose 5-phosphate than NADPH, only non-oxidative phase occurs. So remember the difference. In cells with greater need for NADPH than ribose 5-phosphate, both the phases occurs, and in the cells with greater need for ribose 5-phosphate than the NADPH, only non-oxidative phase occurs. Oxidative phase synthesize the NADPH. Non-oxidative phase synthesize ribose 5-phosphate. Heptose keto sugar formed in the HMP shunt is pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase catalyzes the conversion of the glucose 6-phosphate to 6-phosphogluconate. This is the rate limiting step, first committed step, and also the regulatory step of the HMP. So remember, this particular step is the rate limiting step, first committed step, and also the regulatory step of the HMP. NADPH is a potent competitive inhibitor of the glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Insulin upregulates the expression of the gene for glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Pathways which do not produce ATP are the HMP, uronic acid pathway, and the RL shunt. RL shunt, that means the Rappaport-Leuer-Bering shunt, especially occurring in the RBCs. Then also synthesis of the ketone bodies, alpha oxidation of the fatty acids, and oxidation of the very long chain fatty acids. So over here in all these pathways, there is no production, or we can say absence of the production of the ATPs. NADPH is produced from HMP, major source, malic enzyme, and cytosolic isocitrate dehydrogenase. So over here, remember, HMP is the major source for the production of the NADPH. In oxidative phase, two molecules of NADPH, one molecule of carbon dioxide, and one molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate is formed per glucose 6-phosphate molecule oxidized. Products of HMP from 3 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate are, remember, 6 NADPH, 3 carbon dioxide, 2 molecules of glucose 6-phosphate, and 1 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Transketolase requires thiamine pyrophosphate, a derivative of vitamin B1, and magnesium. Molecule which is intermediate as well as end product of the HMP is the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Molecule which is substrate as well as end product of the HMP, it is the glucose 6-phosphate. Tissues which are never the site of HMP are the non-lactating mammary gland and the skin. HMP activity is low in the skeletal muscles and the brain, as in the brain all the glucose is used by the glycolysis. The high need for nucleotide precursors in rapidly dividing cells is provided by HMP, as rapidly dividing cells such as bone marrow, skin, intestinal mucosa use pentoses to make RNA and DNA. Glutathione is a tripeptide having 3 amino acids, that means the glutamate, cysteine and the glycine. Now this glutathione is actually a reducing agent. Reducing property of this glutathione is due to the self-hydryl group in cysteine. Marker for B1 deficiency is the trans-ketolase activity. Marker for B2 deficiency, means vitamin B2 deficiency, is the glutathione reductase activity. Marker for vitamin B6 deficiency is the transaminase activity. Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency is the first most common human enzyme deficiency. Pyruvate kinase deficiency is the second most one. Okay, coming among the common human enzyme deficiency, but the first one is the glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency. Only RBCs are affected in the glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, as the RBCs lack nucleus and ribosome, and so they cannot renew the supply of this enzyme. Secondly, HMP is the only means of generating NADPH in the RBCs, while in the other cells, malic enzymes are also present, but in the RBCs, this HMP is the only means of generating the NADPH. So today up till here, we'll discuss about the further important notes in our next video. Thank you so much.